everybody. We are the students of MCAT Government Degree College, Devarakonda. Today we are presenting our Gymnasium study project on how to navigate during migration of birds. The name of the supervisor of V. Venkatesh sir, Department of Zoology. This project will be performed by us. Coming to the introduction, migration is a significant event in the life cycle of many bird species, involving long distance movement from breeding grounds to wintering grounds and back. Birds are capable of traveling thousands of millions across different terrains using a variety of cues such as the Earth's magnetic field, Cirrus navigation landmarks, and even the position of star and sun. The study of bird migration navigation involves multiple scientific displacements including zoology, ethnology and biophysics, making it an exciting and interdisciplinary area of research. In this study, we aim to explore the mechanism of birds used for navigation during migration and the potential factor and influence their ability to successfully research their destination. Next slide will be continued, my friend.
Objectives of this study. Two main objectives of this study: to investigate the various of mechanism birds used for the navigation during migration, to explore the role of environmental uses, example sun, stars, magnetic fields, landmarks in birds navigation, to determine how birds adjust their navigation strategies in different conditions such as weather, light and terrain, to examine the role of genetic, environmental and learning factors of the development of navigation skill in birds. The next slide continued by my friend. We hypothesized that birds use a combination of navigational cues, including the electromagnetic field, sun compass, and landmarks, to find their way to during migration. Birds' navigational abilities may improve with experience and environmental adaptations over multiple migrations. The ability of birds to migrate effectively is influenced by genetic factors as well as environmental cues. Methodology. This study will employ a combination of field observations, controlled experiments, and data analysis to understand how birds navigate during migration, counting, recording, using topography, radio tracking, and modeling. Next slide will be continued by my friend.
Data analysis. Data from tracking devices will be used to do maps, the migration routes of the birds. Statistical analysis will be examined. Correlation between environmental variables, weather, magnetic fields, and etc. And the bird's ability to stay on courses. Timing and efficiency of the bird's navigation, including how quickly correct errors in the route. Behavioral patterns of the navigation and how this correction correlated with the environmental cues available at the different stages of the migration. This slide, next slide will be continued by.
Conclusion. The study aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of how birds navigate during migration by exploring the roles of various environmental cues, including the sun, stars, magnetic fields, and the landmarks. The research will highlight the complex interplay of biological, experimental, and learning factors involved in bird migration. The findings will contribute to a broader understanding of avian behavior and may inform conservation efforts, particularly for species that face challenges during migration due to climate change and habitat loss. Thank you.